O maayong gabi ka na itong tanan. Welcome to Cebu Christmas Party 2025.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, good evening and welcome. To all 131 strong members of Cebu Central, may gabi tanan. First of all, thank you for being here tonight. This gathering is special, not only because we are celebrating our Christmas party, but because we are celebrating our unity, our achievements, our growth, and our strength of Cebu Central as a region. And being Region 1 means we always strive to be number 1 in performance, discipline, and service. Cebu Central A is not a region. It is a standard of quality, integrity, and professionalism.
We serve for you, hands steady, let's go. Gabay sa landas, parang liwanag sa alon. Dreams mo, hawak mo, parang bituin sa dilim. Tulay sa bayan, sa hirap, di susuko sa hangin. Kahit saan, kahit kailan, hatid serbisyo. Tulay ng pangarap, di lang basta isang logo. Manulilir, pangalan na di malilimutan. Dito ka na sa amin ka na magdivar at sumama. Niluyer, matutupad ang hangarin mo. Tulay ng pangarap, kasama sa bawat hakbang mo. Dito ka na, sa bawat laban ay kakampi. Nilir, dito lagi para sa iyong pangarap. Best! Gold standard, di kami basta o ordinaryo. Puhunan mo, sigurado wala atraso. Kahit anong gusto mo, sagot sa bawat tanong. Nandito kami karamo mo sa buhay na mahaba ang panahon. Tulay ng bayan, serbisyo'y laging tapat. Pangarap mo'y bitbit, parang lobo na mataas ang lipad. Hawak kamay, sabay tayo walang bibitiw. Manuiler kasama mo hanggang sa panaginip mo'y buhayin. Matutupad ang hangarin mo, tutulay ng pangarap, kasama sa bawat hakbang mo. Dito ka na, sa bawat laban ay kakampi. Ulwilir, dito lagi para sa iyong pangarap. Matutupad ang hangarin mo, tulay ng pangarap, kasama sa bawat hakbang mo. Dito ka na, sa bawat laban ay kakampi. Ulwilir, dito lagi para sa iyong pangarap. Best!
It is truly an honor to stand before you today as we gather for important occasion. Today is more than just an event. It is an opportunity for us to come together, share ideas and see the connection that unite as a company.
Sa bawat hakbang, dala ang hangarin. Sa gitna ng unos, di kailanman lilimutin.
My dream, not only me but Sir Michael and EJ, na unta kani nga region will serve as a model in all of the other regions sa Bismin, because kani magong Central A and Central B is our home court. Supposed to be home court advantage.
Matutupad ang pangarap mo. Dito na ang tagumpay mo. Tulay ng pangarap, abot kamay na. Meluwilir para sa'yo.
awardees karon are the living example. Dili ka kinahanglan maghilabot para maka-attain ka sa success. Dili ka kinahanglan mag-commit of fraud para makuha nimo ang gusto nimo sa kinabuhi. Dili yun na. You know, the secret of success is hard work, prayer, and dedication. That's always will equal success. In life, nothing is easy. If you want to get something, you really want to achieve something, you need to work hard for it in order to get it. It will never be served to you in a silver platter.
To all our branch managers, awardees, staff, appraisers, dealers, and support teams, I want you to know that I am truly proud of you. You do deserve tonight's celebration. You deserve the recognition you are receiving. You are worked tirelessly for this region, as today, we honor not only for your hard work, but also your loyalty and dedication.
Mao na siya nga importante kayo nga atong i-recognize karon ang mga awardees karong gabi na because this is our culture sa Enrollier and this is who we are sa Enrollier. And as always, honesty is non-negotiable. It is still the best policy that we want to enter.
Ito nagsisimula bawat tagumpay, walang hadlang. Kahit anong kulay ang pangarap mo, pangarap din namin. Tulay ng bayan sa puso natin.
As we approach the end of this year and look forward to the next, let's hold on to the Christmas spirit. We've shared tonight the spirit of unity, love, kindness, and hope. May the joy of this season fill your homes with laughter, your hearts with peace, and your lives with abundant blessings. May the new year bring us more opportunities to grow together, serve more people, and reach even greater heights as a team. Once again, thank you all for being here tonight. Let's raise a glass to each other, to our Enrollier Region Central A place where we don't just work but we will belong. Long life Enrollier Philippines. Merry Christmas to everyone, and may you all have healthy and prosperous and joyful New Year's ahead.